is 35 late to start investing? Is there any way to cover the lost years? Love the question. I'm reading it again. I'm 35. I know I'm late to start investing. Any way I can cover up for the lost years? Great question. And I'm glad that you are acknowledging that you've lost years. Brilliant, right? And you don't need to let this disempower you. So I'm not coming from the space of disempowerment, because acknowledgement comes from the space that, okay, I know that I goofed up, and all of us goof up, right? Like in some area or the other, we all keep goofing up. Like I keep goofing up in my area of my relationships, and then I just keep making up. So yeah, we all have areas in which we are not strong, and maybe for you it is finance. And the first step is acknowledging that yes, I goofed up, and forgiving yourself first, because I think the most difficult part is forgiving yourself. So forgiving yourself first, so acknowledge, forgive, and then the third step is you still have a lot of time to go. I mean, if you look at your life expectancy, okay, women are going to outlive men, and even the World Health Organization is saying that women are going to live for 85 years. Now say you are 35 right now and you're going to live till 85, which means for the next 50 years you need money. Now for the next 25 to 30 years you can work. But after that, at some point you will slow down. You and I, everybody will slow down. Right? 65, 70. Which means there will be a certain portion of our lives where we will not have active income. Which means income coming from jobs or businesses won't be there, maybe. So if you have 50 years still to go, do you really think it is late? In my view, I don't think it is late. If I can acknowledge, I can forgive myself, I can make a new start. 50 years are ahead of me. I can invest for the next 3 market cycles. So each market cycle is 7 years, okay, where there is up, down, stagnancy and back. So let's say we're all investing for 3 cycles. Now, which means 20 years, 21 years are gone in investing. And you will see how compounding works. Even if you're not investing for 3 cycles, say you're investing for 2 market cycles, compounding will kick in. Okay? Like I often share, 10,000 rupees if you invest, say you're 30 and you're investing till the age of 60, in the next 30 years you're investing 36 lakhs and it's becoming over 1 crore. That's how the power of compounding kicks in. Okay, so that's the opportunity even for you. I think even if you have 2 market cycles, 3 market cycles to persist in, it's not late. You have a great opportunity, and I think you need to just go for it now. Do not delay anymore, because I really think time is money. So don't let more time go. Because this time, the more time you give to the market now, the more your money is going to grow. So instead of now giving more time in thinking, I would say invest time in learning. Give 2 months to yourself, learn, and then go for it. Okay? Invest your money and then give time to the market. And then you will see how your educated investments, okay, well researched, good investments, good quality investments are going to give you great returns. Like if I can generate, okay, I want to tell this to everybody. If I can generate a 200%, 300% rate of return, if my community members can generate that kind of return for in the last 10 years of their investing journey, why can't you? And like I said earlier, at 35, you have at least 15, 20 years for which you can invest. You have the next 50 years for which you're living. So, hey buddy, it's not late. Get started today. Don't delay anymore. And well, we are waiting for our women who are looking for implementation.